This is a summary of some of the features in Chapter 4 and a couple of others. One of the things you might want to do is if you're working with a document, sharing or commenting here, let's say I want to add a suggestion here. I'm on the review tab. I click on new comment and I could go and add a few things. Do you think we should mention yada yada yada? Okay. So you have that there showing there. Somebody can go into here, they could reply to it. You have that comment there. Let's say you don't want it anymore. You could highlight it, hit the delete thing here. When you print it, I go to the print preview, it will actually come up there shrunken down on a page. You could also say not to print the thing in here. You go down here to do that. So if I'll leave the comment here for the time. Actually, I will delete it. I hit delete, it's gone. You could also select words here. You could just say couple with the fact, and then if you go into here, you could also right click here, and I could say new comment. Do you think we need a footnote here? So I have that there. Highlight, it's referring to that thought there. I'm just going to delete it. And if you want to do a footnote here, if you do that, a footnote is not a footer. And what you do here, I go into references and I say insert footnote here, and I will say this was in National Geographic magazine 10 2002 page 44. This is not following MLA style. Go up here, it's going to show the footnote there. You got a little one showing up there. So we did that. Now you might want to put citations too. Citations is where you're quoting from things here. So I could go and highlight, click after Bangladesh here, and you click on insert citation, new source, add new placeholder. I click on add new source here. It's going to go into here, report. Let's say it was a book here, author James Smith, title all about tigers, 2003, New York, and we could just say the publisher. You fill out this stuff here, and let's say the publisher was Acme Press. Say okay. So you got that there. It can be edited. I could say edit source, and if I go into here, I could go into here and add a lot more things in here. If I say show all bibliography fields here, you can fill out a lot more. And pages here, it's like a 300-page book. I say okay. Yes, I'm going to update the list here. So I've got that there. You can do things with that. Next thing I want to do, this is a citation here. You can put them in here. Next thing I want to do, let's say I'm making this into a paper here. I'm just going to force a page break here. I'm going to be doing a new page at the top here. Actually, I'm just going to leave Control Enter before here. I go up here, and this is going to be the cover page here. I want to do a table of contents. This is very simple. What it is, it's based on these styles here. We're inside Tigers here. If I'm on the home, it says heading 1, okay? Go up into here. I want to put in a table of contents. I can hit the enter key a couple of times, delete it later if necessary. And what I do now, I click on references, table of contents. I click on this, and you use one of the other two, whatever it specifies to do here. It's based on that. I click here, so it shows everything in here. But watch this. We go into here. We're going to add another thing here. So I'm going to click on on the home, click on heading 1, and I would say introductory comments, and then I'll just type in random text here. So I have that in here. I want to put this on another page. Now watch this. I'm up here. Right click inside here. Update the field. Everything. So it shows all the information in there that it starts on page 2, 3, 4. If you delete something here, and if I click on over here, let's say I don't want this anymore, taxonomy, highlight this stuff here, delete it, still showing there. Right click, update field. So it goes there. You need page numbers. You could just double click right in the very bottom here, and if I want to put a page number here, I could type in the word page, and I'm just going to do the page number here, and I will just say current position, plain number. So we've got that page 1, page 2, page 3. This is the 4 basic functions in here. Now let's say, oops, what I want to do here, I want to show you word art, and you could just do something all about tigers here. Pretty easy to do. You click on insert, and I go into word art. I could choose any one I want. I could choose this. Shows that here. I just type in here all about, hold on, stay in here, tigers. Okay, I click over here. I will adjust this in a minute here. I can make it wider. You get those green borders here, which are very cool. Now what I want to do here, I want to make the font bigger. Home, I can just click here. It widens it. I will narrow it down a bit. Maybe I want to make it a 60. Highlight the number here. Type in 60. So we've got that there. You can apply design functions here. You're on drawing tools, format. I can go into here. We use that already. I can go into here. Change things around a bit. Let's keep it orange here. And you could also change the font style, shape fill, like that. Shape outline, black. If I click on shape outline, I can change the weight, make it thicker, and you can add more things here, like a preset here. You can bevel it a bit. Click off of it. You see that? The simpler you keep it, the better it looks. You can go into text effects here. Glow. Ooh, keep it clean. So I've got that in there. And the other thing too here, if you're doing things in here, for example, let's say I want this really on the next page. I'm going to cut this. These are blank styles here. I'm just going to go here, click on normal. I go here. I pasted it here. You could also get rid of that there. So I got that. I lost the style now. And I can pull this up. I want to pull it up. I could click on it. You're having an issue. You click inside here. You got these things here. Square, tight, through. If I do square, that's fine. If I go into here and I put it in the paragraph here, the text wraps around it. Let's keep it where it is. These are some of the basics from chapter 4, also including some from chapter 3.